Bandit. Bandit is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, their wings and tail feathers are blue and green. Now this macaw has white naked face striped with small red feathers. And there you have it, folks. Our show has officially started. So, how about a big round of applause for Bandit and Trainer PJ. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Now Goldie is our blue and gold macaw. Guys, do you think Goldie has the ability to find a hidden object? If you believe in Goldie, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie.
You can do it, Goldie.
Alright, Goldie, find a hidden object for us. And she found it! A round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie with Ellison. And today they will battle it out on who's the best in a basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, say Goldie! Goldie!
Goldie! Goldie!
Good. Now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say Go Blue! Go Blue!
Good.
Alright. So trainers first. Ready, set, go! Come on, birds! Alright, here comes Blue with first ball. Followed by Goldie. Second ball from Blue. Second ball from Goldie. And another one. Blue wins this round. That's alright, Goldie. Better luck next time. 1 point for the boys. Hey, Allison, you guys lose this game. What can you say?
Hold it, I want another race.
Another race, PJ?
Are you sure about that? You want Goldie lose again?
Oh,
This time I guarantee you that Goldie will win.
wow, confident.
So what game do you have in mind?
Yeah, what game?
I want a ring race.
What is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop the 2 rings into the bowl, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
Okay, a ring race it shall be. And remember, boys have already 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Goldie to win this time. And it'll be a ring race. So trainers first. Ready, set, go! Come on, Goldie, catch up. Oh, here comes Blue's first ring. Come on, Goldie. Second one. Oh, Goldie wins this time. Wow, what a great technique, Goldie.
Getting up.
Hey, PJ, that was 3 rings at the same time from Goldie. What can you say about that?
Hey, you guys, you cheated!
Did you guys cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Goldie used her brain.
So is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Yes! Alright, give it up for Blue and Goldie. Blue flies over, gets the money. What will we do, Blue? Blue flies back, and what will Blue do with the money? Ma'am, before you go back to your seat, may I ask you, did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is a rescue center for the animals?
I just knew.
Okay, now you know, and your money will go a long way. We're really grateful for that. Thank you so much, ma'am. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show.